Hi guys, it's Talia and welcome back to my channel guys. For today's video, I decided to film a what's in my iPhone 7 Plus. I know, I've been way behind on the iPhones and honestly, I need to upgrade like as soon as possible. Today, this video, I decided to share what's in my iPhone, what kind of apps I use and all that good stuff. I do have a picture of little Theodore just chilling in his car seat. He's so cute. I'm going to be showing you guys what apps I have, what apps I use, and all that good stuff. I'm going to be showing you what apps are good for school and also what kind of apps are handy and all that fun stuff. I really hope that you guys really enjoy this video. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Talia and welcome to my channel guys. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. Just hit that red button and notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Check out my mom's channel. I'll link her YouTube channel down below. And that is pretty much it guys, so I'm really excited. I've never done an iPhone video like what's in my iPhone, so I'm really excited to show you guys what's in my iPhone. I'm going to be showing my face. I'm just going to be showing you my iPhone basically, so the whole screen right now is going to be like just my iPhone, like telling you what apps I use, so you won't see my face. I'm really excited to show you guys that I do have a Marvel one, so sometimes I change it up a little. And I changed my case and my iPhone's actually silver. So let's just get on to the video, shall we? First thing I have is my email, which on the top here I check my emails and everything and read my emails that I don't need, scams and all that, so I do keep a track of my emails. And then the calendar, I use my calendar a lot. It's very helpful, and especially when it comes to appointments, instead of like buying a calendar, you can actually do your appointments here. So just add and then just say Theodore's appointment and then the location, let's say grooming. So basically you add it and then the time and everything and all that good stuff. So yeah, so I love to use the calendar a lot guys. I have my photos, of course, little Theo, and I have like 938 photos, which I need to delete a bunch of that. So, and then I have my camera here. I use my maps a lot guys, especially like for GPS if I'm trying to find something. So let's say for example I'm trying to find Canes close to my location. Rising Canes, this one's closest to my house and it's like 9 minutes away. And then I like to look at the rating stars and all that. I use my alarm a lot, especially for work. Even though it's my day off, any day that I'm off, I always set my alarm at 7 a.m. I wake up 7 a.m. because I like to wake up early and get my day started, run my errands, and then take the other for a walk and do his little thing. So I always set my alarm at 7 a.m. every single day guys. Timer, especially for cooking. I don't like to buy a timer because I have one in my phone, so there's no point buying a timer if I can use my phone. And time watch, I use my time watch to check the weather. I always want to know what's the weather for tomorrow to pick out my outfit. I know I'm such a weirdo, but I always want to know like what outfits to wear. Is it going to be hot? Is it going to be cold? News, I really don't use this news, but it's in your phone. There's some apps that come with your Apple iPhone, but I really don't delete them because in case you might need them in the future. News and all that good stuff, and yeah. And then, ooh, movies. Let it go, let it go. Disney. I have my debit card attached to my phone and my gift cards, which is linked to my Apple Watch, so I use my wallet a lot in case I forget my debit card. So I love using notes guys, especially when you're going to grocery shopping and you want to write down what you need. Well, you can actually do it on your phone. This is what I normally do. Let's say for example I need like toothpaste, lotion, I don't know, bar soaps, mouthwash, makeup. You just type what you need, and when you go to the store you open your phone and then you look what you need in your house. And then reminders, I love using reminders for schedules. If you don't want to add it towards your calendar, you can do it on your reminder and then you set your alarm and all that stuff. So I really like using the reminders, and then after you're done, you can delete them and all that good stuff. And then here, stocks, I don't use that at all, guys. It's part of the Apple phone. So, and then I have Apple TV. I don't use that either. And then bugs, I use that sometimes, but not really. It's just, it gives you options to read in your phone instead of like borrowing books. iTunes store, I don't really use that. My brothers have like iTunes cards, and I just take their iTunes gift cards and then I just use it, but sometimes I get in trouble, so it's okay. The App Store, and then I use that a lot to download games, apps, like Twitter, Instagram, whatever I need, I can just download it. So let's say Mario Kart, so maybe I want a game, I can, as this one has good reviews, I can download apps and all that. I think I might download this later. And here I have my home. I really don't use home, but yeah, it's part of the app. So, and then I have my health. I use my health a lot, guys. So today I did 1,873 steps, so I use this app a lot. Watch every day I go out, and I take my phone with me, obviously. So I use this app a lot. It gives me the steps and everything that I need. And then the walking, running is 69 miles. My health data, you can get information, nutrition, sleep, and all that. It gives you more information just to take care about your health and all that. And then your sources, which is my Apple's Connected, and then my iPhone. On this section where it says education, you email me and send me a message through Instagram. You guys want to know like what apps are really good for like education, like for college or high school. Currently not in college right now. However, I did ask a few of my good friends from college what apps they use. Click on education. This little app, top left corner, that is part of your Canvas, which is called Canvas, and this is actually connected like with college and university. You click on it and then actually gives you like your courses. It shows your courses, your grades, what assignments are due, and everything. But my friends suggest that do not submit anything through your phone because there might be a glitch or something, or it might not allow you to submit anything, especially when it comes to quizzes and tests. Professors do not recommend you to do your quiz through your phone or through that Canvas app, because it won't allow you to finish and it will basically mark it as a 0. And then here you have the Outlook, which they use the Outlook in colleges and university. Check your emails from other students, your professor, your student loans or financial aid, whatever. If you guys are in college or university, I suggest you to download those two apps in your phone in case you want to keeping track of everything, look like good stuff. Here is Slides Google. So basically, if you don't have a laptop or anything in your home, you can actually download it in your phone, and it will allow you to create a PowerPoint, a slide, or whatever project you need. So here is Mathway. So you guys asked me what app is actually good for good app. It gives you the answer, however it does not give you the rest information how to solve the problem. You actually have to upgrade, but you do have to pay, and I don't know how much it is, but I really like Quizlet here, but I don't know what happened to it. Quizlet, I recommend it as well, guys. So when you go to app, Quizlet, big time download Quizlet. Is a flashcards. Instead of like wasting paper and all that stuff, you can actually create your own flashcards through your phone by this app called Quizlet, and it will help you study and gives you the answers and all that good stuff. So I recommend you to download Quizlet, guys. I don't know what happened, it got deleted, so I'm gonna download it again. I have a Yahoo and then I have a Gmail. So basically this is like personal email. Here is more like my YouTube and other sources that I need for phone calls, my Internet Explorer. So a lot of apps open, but anyways, and then here are my messages, which I haven't responded to 6 people, which is sad. And then here of my library, you can like listen to music, browse, and all that. So obviously we always need to use a calculator. I always use it in case I need to use podcasts sometimes. Just not really. I don't use that, but there is there for a reason. So here I have my watch, which is connected through my phone. I can check, I could change the screen, and all that good stuff. But like this is Theodore being cute, and here I have extra stuff, which is a campus tips, voice memos, contacts, find friends, and find iPhone. Find friends. I have no friends in this area, so. And then here's find your iPhone. So basically, if you lose your iPhone, or your mom or anyone who lose their iPhone, you can actually track it down, or your own iPhone as well. Here I have numbers. I really don't use this app at all whatsoever, guys. So, and then here iTunes U. I don't use that. I have the iMovie. Sometimes I use the iMovie to do like small little clip videos for TikTok. So right now I have a little small clip of Theodore, and then Pages. I don't use that at all, but it's there. And then Keynote. I don't use that app too, so I just don't delete them. They're there. And then GarageBand. I don't know what that is. And then here I have Measure. Sometimes I use the Measure when I'm going to the store. And then these are my social media: my Instagram, my Snapchat, my TikTok, and my Facebook. These are the apps I use the most. Facebook, not really. I just log in like twice a week or once a month, depending on my mood. And I just check messages from family from Mexico or something like that. This is how I communicate with them. I will be getting Twitter soon. And then here are my YouTube, which I watch videos and all that good stuff. Right next to my YouTube, I have the YouTube Studio, which I can reply comments faster, check my time watch, and my views. And then I have my Citibank mobile app and my Bank of America app. Then I have Netflix, which I have the app, and I love to watch like movies, my TV shows. So I'm currently watching Chilling Adventures with Sabrina. So I'm watching that. And then I have Hulu. When I'm bored with Netflix, I like to watch Hulu a lot. And then it's just what I have those main apps. Then I have Tubi, I think that's how you pronounce it. This is actually a free app. You can watch movies. They're like old movies, like from back then. So sometimes I use the app. Then I have my Spotify, and then my Pandora, which I listen to music. And then I have my Pinterest. I love Pinterest, guys. I like to get inspiration, ideas, decor, fashion, nails, all that. I like to go through Pinterest. Like here are pictures of what I normally look at every day. So I log into Pinterest every day and I pin what I like. And it's just a very interesting app, and I really love this app so much. It's like my favorite app, and I like to look up recipes as well. Then I have T-Mobile Tuesday. I really don't use this app, but it's there. You get free like stuff, free food. And then I have my activity, which I can check like my steps, my health, my running. I keep track of everything, what I do like every day for exercise. So I love this app so much. It keeps track of everything: my calories, my exercise, my steps, my stands, everyday basis, and then my indoor walk and all that. Then I have files, which I keep documents in there just in case, important documents. And then I have We Hearted. I don't use that app at all. I don't know what this is, but it's Discover Endless Inspiration, so it's there. And then I have my HP Smart Printer. So when I'm like in my phone and I want something to print, I can just print it through my phone, and then it will actually print it through my printer. So this is really cool. And then I use InstaShot to like create videos, and then I use Pink Monkey, which I can create my thumbnails, and my Fonto as well. I can create my thumbnails. I love these two apps, especially like for thumbnails. I will probably do a video soon to how to create thumbnails. Then I have my Ulta Beauty app. I love to order stuff. Now that they have pickup, I can just order my stuff and they will have it ready at the pickup store. Target, I love Target. I love shopping at Target. They offer like Target Circle offers, so they have coupons and all that good stuff, and you can also price match, guys, so I really love that. And then they always have like good sales. They have amazing stuff, and the best part is you can use your Target wallet offer, which you can apply so many coupons, and I'm just so obsessed with Target app. And I have McDonald's app. I love McDonald's, guys. I know some people don't like McDonald's, but I do. I love to get their iced coffee, the caramel with extra ice, or the pumpkin iced coffee. I use their coupons a lot. Sometimes they have great deals. Sometimes I order stuff from their menu and have it ready at the fast food store, so I really love using this app. And I have Starbucks app. Sometimes I use this app. Starbucks can be a bit expensive, but I usually use this app, and I go like at least twice a month or 3 times a month, depending on my mood. And then that is pretty much it with the 3 screen slides, guys. These are all my apps. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video on what's in my iPhone, the apps that I use. Hopefully some of these apps really help you. Everything organized. Let's give it a huge big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.